race day. So tomorrow's race day, and today they are prepping the car. Later on, we're gonna take the car down to the beach and test the clutch. Hopefully I'll be able to get some FPV shots. And I think they also want to get some photos of the car. We're out here gonna test the actual race car now. I got it all buttoned up. We're gonna test do some clutch testing, I guess. So I gotta get this thing ready. So I feel like we're gonna be here probably all day. There's a lot of cars to tech, but we're actually further along than I thought we would be right now. So we're looking good. They were here at like 6:30 this morning, and it's probably I think 9:30 right now. Oh, and Danny comes today. She flies in at 10:30. I get to see her today. We get to experience this. This is fucking awesome. Stay tuned.
Look, we're close.
We're here with you guys too. I got nice cool breeze. I got great views, nice vistas.
Yeah, looking forward to
Stopping Mike. Just stand up here and do my sponsorship.
No, you're gonna do the talk here.
Oh no, we need the boss to do that.
Just have it. Well, I know you have a good group of people and sponsors and make this all possible.
Yeah. First and foremost, I want to thank Brandon and Keith to Prep the Car, Keith to co-ride with me, and then all the awesome sponsors. Obviously Portal Parts, Rigid, Polaris, Method, Rugged, Fox, Toyota Designs, Rocker Fosgate, Sparco, the guys who wrapped the car at Proline, Tensor Tire, and most definitely EP Race Fuels. And I want to thank Scott and Rachel Smith from Leprechaun Racing. They really stepped up this year to help us out. So we're super excited to have them on board this year.
I say everybody over there, George, get some little stuff there, a little cool behind the scenes of dirt life.
Oh yeah, we got George doing camera work. We got Mike Spazzo doing all our FPV stuff. So we're trying to step it up a little bit.
So awesome, man. Well, good luck to you. We'll see you on the ramp tomorrow.
Awesome. Thank you so much to Score and all you guys for putting this on. Look forward to it. Thanks, buddy.
Good luck, guys.
So that was pretty rad. Craig, give me a little shout out. That was awesome. The little things, you know, it's all about the little things. Stand up here. So we're at the airport right now, waiting for the girls to get here. This is so awesome. Danny gets to come here. Craig's girlfriend's coming here. It's a good trip. They made it. Good time.
Sorry. Good morning.
How do you feel?
Race day. Feel amazing. We're gonna win this race today.
That's the attitude.
I do not have a headache at all, and I feel
No.
great and amazing.
Didn't drink at all last night. Huh?
No. Yeah, Mike was trying to get me to drink, and I'm like, dude, let's just like take it easy tonight. It's like my first night here, and let's, you know, be mellow. And so that's what we did. Oh, babe. Right?
Yeah, it's totally what we did. She totally did that. Race day!
Race day!
So it's race day. We're gonna be chasing the car around all day, out in the desert. Hopefully get some good shots.
You guys are so cute. Just the cutest. He's got this.
Last time we were all separated and it wasn't like the whole team together, like let's fucking do this. It was 5 of us, you know what I mean? Like, so it's this kind of like this camaraderie kind of gives me the chills, you know? It's good. I like it.
Good chills.
Good chills, good chills.
Excited, happy.
Excited, happy.
This is awesome.
Race
So
day.
cool.
Let's get it.
Woo!
Pretty good jump off there.
Thanks.
Aquí está, ¿sabe que no?
Check these guys out coming across right here. Look at this.
So cool. Really?
Recording? Oh, it's recorded! Yay!
Oh my
Recording? Oh, it's recorded! Yay! Fuck yeah! They passed them. You see that? Yeah. By a lot. Yeah. Fuck yeah! Good job, Craig.
Everything looks pretty good. Still looks like it's working good. Nice. Let me give him a thumbs up.
We just got back to the house. We were at mile marker 65, and then we went to 75, and then I think we went to 100. I think 100 is where the lake bed is. So then we left there and came back to the house because we were gonna meet him down south at like 175. But if we went to 175, we wouldn't make it back in time. We want to be there for the finish. We're gonna head down there in about half hour and we'll see where we finish. So stay tuned. I'm standing here on the finish line. We should be next coming through. Hopefully it's a third. If it is, I'm fucking stoked. I'm fucking stoked anyway. The anticipation is fucking killing me. All I've done all this week is just hurry up and wait. This by far is the worst. Woo, boys! How was it?
Fucking rough.
Rough. Congratulations.
How do we do? No idea.
I don't want to even say it right now.
You don't know?
I know, but I don't want to say it
Bad?
just to, no.
No.
I just don't want to be wrong.
Fucking living hell out there.
Yeah! Fuck yeah! Woo! Good job. Keith, I know you guys got to pull forward. Good job.
That was like a world of hell.
Was it?
Dude, we punched a rock. We were going around somebody the first. Dude, and as soon as I came out from his dust, we just talked about this last night. I'm like, my
You
biggest
gotta hear
fear.
the audio behind it.
Oh man.
Emerson's yelling at you guys like, dude, after that, like I was telling all the guys, I was like, how the fuck did Craig all of a sudden learn to drive so smooth? Like, you were doing so fucking
You were
good.
fucking killing it.
Hey Keith, real quick, how was it?
It was really fucking rough.
It looked gnarly.
Sorry to scare the shit out of you.
I saw you coming in the mirror.
Yeah, we did.
Good job,
Oh my god.
Good job, bud.
Thank you.
How was that?
It was awesome!
Right.
Yeah, bro.
He thought the swing arm was broken. Everything looks good. Car looks good. It was
Bar
just
was
all
just
over.
bleeding everywhere. No, he said.
Is our back bumper fucked up bad?
Nope, not at all.
Polaris Factory Racing, Ford WP, Craig Scanlon coming up here. Looks like he just came off the showroom floor, man. I'm digging the race suit.
And we get our Pro R out there in 500 and get her to start a little bit up towards the front. It's gonna be fun.
Pro R, you already have it? You already starting the build?
Oh, it's some finishing touches at UTV Inc. right now in Mesa, Arizona. So we were gonna push and put in this race, but we decided to give this one last run. So it did all right for us today.
Smart man, we're looking forward to it. We'll see you in Ensenada.
Awesome, thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Vámonos.